Today I have this Infantino Music and Lights 3-in-1 Discovery Seat and Booster. So let's go ahead and take it out. This is good for kids 4 months and up. Once a baby can sit up, maybe like in a high chair or something like that, with some support, you can start using this. I got it for my baby to see how he enjoys it. My kid's about 6 months old, so I figured it's time to give this a try and see how it works. Okay, so this thing just goes together like this on top of here. So you don't have to have this in place. You can take it off to make a little feeding table, but when you want it on, it just goes on like this. It just slides on and clips in place right there. And then it has all these toys and things like that in here for them to play, piano, stuff like that. There is a spot for batteries for the piano, so you'll have to unscrew this and put in your batteries. Okay, I have the batteries installed now, and let's go ahead and turn it on. 2 volume settings, and then easy and difficult as far as the music. On this mode, it'll be more like a piano. Okay, and then on here, all you have to do is slide it on from the sides here. I put the top on here to make the chair complete. You just pop it in. Then you can put your baby in here. Make sure you strap him in. You're gonna go ahead and install the seat pads. So the seat pads, you're just gonna put the straps through here. Just be careful you don't rip the seat pad. It is pretty flimsy. If you want a bigger one, as far as the seat pads, you're going to pop the straps through here. Just be careful. Do not tear it or anything like that. Just gently push it through. The seat pad might be hidden in your box, so just look carefully. For me, it took me a minute to find it. But without the seat pad, it's going to be pretty uncomfortable for your child, so make sure you do install the seat pad. There you go. Once the seat pad's installed, your child is ready to sit in here. Make sure to strap them in. Once you have your baby in, this clicks into place. So on the side, there are these tabs. So this will go in there, and make sure you tab it onto the other side too. And now your baby's ready to use this and play. So they can make noises here. They can spin this. So show here from the baby's perspective. You have this that opens up a picture. You can actually use a sticker and cover this and maybe make a different picture if your baby gets bored with it. There is a little mirror in here. This makes little noises. This one, and there's this one that spins. Of course, the piano, and then there's this one. So there's plenty to do, and of course, you can also feed your baby while they're in here. So let's go ahead and see if my baby enjoys this thing. Okay, my child is in there. Now what we can do is snap this in carefully so we don't pinch him or anything like that. On the sides, like I said, there's tabs. And just push that in. There you go. And now it's in. So I have this on the lower volume, and then the easy mode for the piano. But seems like he likes the gears right off the bat. It comes with extra straps, and you can use those straps to strap the seat into a chair. It can also sit on top of a countertop. So there's a lot of utility with this chair, especially being able to strap it to a chair and make it a high chair. And then this plaything opens up for food and things like that. Seems like he's discovered a second toy in there. there's plenty of activities for him to do, so you can introduce them one by one, and then he can play with whatever he enjoys the most. Right off the bat, it seems like a hit, so I'm happy with this product. It's pretty easy to put together, and it seems like there's plenty of entertaining things for him to do. And of course, like I showed you before, there's this tab behind, and you can just kind of slide it open for them to feed and things like that. But right now it's activity time, so we'll keep that closed. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.